Hi, it's Melanie here from Penney and Associates Injury Attorneys, and I'm here today with Dylan Whitsett. And Dylan, the question of the day is, what is something you wish most people knew about before considering a personal injury case?
Hey, Melanie, another good question. Wow, what is one thing I I would say probably the nature and the logistics of of our fee agreement. Actually, I really like the way that our fee agreement is set up. We operate on what's called a contingency fee basis, which means that under no circumstances do you have to pay any consultation fee, retainer fee, hourly billing along the way, anything like that. No money is ever coming out of the client's pocket. We are strictly based on a percentage of the final settlement or verdict. So that does a couple of things. Again, as I just said, number one, it takes all of the risk out of the client. Even if you're not sure you have a case, our phone lines are always available to call and check in without any consultation fees, and you don't have to pay an exorbitant retainer fee to get the best lawyer in the state. You can do it basically free of charge. So that's huge. And number two, we're on a percentage basis, so obviously it motivates us to do as well as we possibly can. We both are on the same side. We would never sell you short because it doesn't make business sense. So that just keeps everything transparent, and I think it's one of the more effective fee agreements that exist in the legal world.
Interesting. What are some other things that would be helpful for people to know before considering a case?
I think it would be really important to know that you're not going to get your medical bills and expenses paid along the way. You're not going to get paid out usually on a case until you're totally done with treatment, until you're ready to basically put your final seal of approval on a potential settlement, or with a jury verdict or some sort of an award. So that's a big misconception that we get when people come in. They want their doctor's bills paid up front and along the way, and that's just not the way it works. So it is helpful to have an attorney on board who can kind of help facilitate getting those bills paid along the way, so that you're not sent to a collection agency. Making sure that your health insurance is taking care of bills if you have health insurance, or putting medical expenses on liens that can be paid at the end of the case. But that is a big misconception. A lot of people think that they can just submit their hospital bill to the insurance company and they'll pay it right away, and then they could submit their chiropractic bill later on and that'll get paid along the way. It's just not the way it works.
Okay. Ooh, interesting. All right. Well, thank you, Dylan.
You're welcome.